So we have our relay that is mounted right here next to it because I want things to be a little bit neat, even if you're never ever going to see it. But these use spade connectors. So it's a connector that looks like this. You find them commonly with automotive stuff, and I do a lot of automotive stuff, so I have the tooling to do it. This right here is a lifesaver when it comes to having to do stuff like this. So these right here are the iWis ratcheting crimpers as well as their strippers. I love these tools. They work super smooth, and we're gonna have to use those once we get things disconnected. Okay, now it just so happens that to wire this for the Ecobee, I have my green wire, which is gonna hook in down yonder in 0.3. That's this guy right here. And my green right here is gonna attach to that. So we'll just put these in here and put both of those inside my spade. All right, those are held in place. Now we'll find our blue setting. Oopsies. Okay, so we're gonna find that. There it is. Make sure we're still secure. 1, 2, and here we go. All right. And it failed the tug test. So that is no good. Okay. Let's see. Tug test number 2. Okay, we're good. Okay, I just had it on the wrong setting. So now that we have that, we're going to be plugging that into that number 3 position. And that one is done. All right, now to keep on with the Ecobee wiring of things, and this is probably pretty standard for most thermostats, honestly. Our white's gonna go directly into that relay as well. So I'm gonna give you a crimp, tug test, beautiful. All right, so that's that bit, and then our reds go together. So because those ones don't go into the spade, we're just gonna wire nut it. All right, tug test. Beautiful. Okay, and we're still not gonna use the blue, so that one's just gonna stay put as is. Now, the next bit is we have to have our white and our red from our TT connections going up to this guy up here. Luckily, I have some wire for that. Man, I love these things. Okay. And I want to make this a little bit neat, you know? But I just don't think that's going to happen in here. Okay. We'll cut it about right there. All right, so cut, throw, strip, throw again. This is why nobody likes electricians. Okay. Oh, you do fit. And it strips to the proper length. Oh, love it when a plan comes together. There we go. Right there. Tug test. Pass. So you go there. Over the white. And you'll just come down here. All right, now for our red. And our last wire down here is in. Woo! Wire officially in. All right, let's get in here. So we have our white red hooked up, and if you follow those up to our relay, they are plugged in on the normally open sides, and we have our connections down there to our transformer. So this is going to complete the circuit.